Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the lamp powered and the app installed. Start pairing now. Open the app, grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the phone can discover devices. Once done, put the lamp into pairing mode, usually a long press of the power button until the LED flashes. Consult the quick label if timing differs. You need a stable Wi-Fi or phone Bluetooth link now, so move the lamp within 3-5 meters of your phone and avoid interference from other active smart devices. You will see the lamp appear in the app's device list. Tap it and verify the app shows the same flashing pattern you observe. If the lamp needs Wi-Fi, choose your 4 GHz network and enter the password carefully. Most smart bulbs do not support 5 GHz. Once credentials are accepted, the lamp will register to your account. Make sure to name it and assign a room or group so voice controls and automations can find it easily. Keep your phone nearby until the final confirmation. You should now test basic controls. Change color, dim, and set a sunset schedule to confirm the app communicates. Once everything responds, link the lamp to a voice assistant or add it to automations for hands-free use. If things go wrong, try a factory reset. Power cycle, then hold the button for the reset duration, re-enable Bluetooth and location, and repeat pairing. If the lamp still won't join, move it closer to the router and temporarily disable other BLE devices to reduce interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.